Hi everybody, my name is Luis. I'm a cabinet maker and cabinet installer. This is my very first video in YouTube regarding cabinets, and I want to take the time to thank Ron Paul for his inspiration that has happened in me to build my total station, and also to FastCap. I've been using FastCap products probably since 2007, 2008, almost 10 years. And I want to show you in this first video how I use FastCap products. And also I want to show my total station bench, which I started using about probably 15 days ago. So let me show you how everything goes. I'm going to take the cell phone with me, and I'm going to show you. First off, there is the stands from FastCap. Okay, I use them all the time. I tend to build and install Euro cabinets mostly. We are in Southern California, and these two cabinets in particular, they have fillers that come out flush with the face of the doors. So what I like to do is I like to put all the uppers that I need to install. I like to put them on top of the stands, and then plumb them and level them to figure it out how much a scribe I'm gonna give them. And I also have these shelves. These are floating shelves that are gonna be installed in between the two cabinets. So I already figure that right now the shelf comes up to here, which is 2 13/16. That divided 2 gives me 1 7/16. I already have my compass over here, so next step to do is to go from top to bottom. I like to use the green text clearly what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna do that with both of them right there and right there. And then out here, that is my total station from Ron Paul's drawings. I have a DeWalt chop saw. I have a worm drive skill saw table saw that goes over here. That is the pipes. And that's my setup so far. I'm also fixing my band, so I'm gonna create more videos so you guys can see it and maybe pick some ideas for your projects. So that's the band, but I'll show that in another video. After marking the scribe that I'm gonna be making to these fillers, I'm using these clamps. I got them almost for $2 at Home Depot. I know it was a really weird special because they were selling for $18, but I'm using these ones for right now. And so what I do over here is I have 2 vacuums. The big one is for the chop saw. The small one is for my belt sander. Small one, 40 cable. Really portable, light. I use FastCap's remote control for the vacuum. There it goes. And I use the same vacuum for my Makita circular saw, just like that. So I'm gonna proceed to mark my filler with a red pen that I carry all the time with me. It's gonna be this line, just so I can see really good what I'm cutting or doing. Okay, hopefully the microphone of the iPhone is good enough to capture everything that I'm saying. Okay, right here. Okay, now I can see the line really clear. And I'm gonna handle the cell phone to Armando. Armando is helping me to do this installation. So I'm gonna handle the cell phone to him so he can film a little bit of the process of what I'm doing over here. Okay, so first step is I'm gonna use the circular saw to rip it, and then I'm gonna use the belt sander to finish the scribing that I'm doing. Okay, so as you can see, I'm gonna show you, that's how it has to finish. I'm gonna get rid of the red line. Okay, I don't want to keep you waiting because I have to move the clamps to, you know, have room to use my belt sander, and then I have to flip this to cut in an angle this chunk of wood over here so that it's not too hard for the belt sander. But that's basically the process to do my scribing, and I'll get back to you on the next video when the two fillers are ready to go back into the cabinets. Okay, those are the cabinets. We'll see you in the next video.